things that we can deal with when we talk about the southern side of these types of winter storms. So Justin was talking about that next storm. This next storm has a greater threat for severe weather on its southern side, and that's going to be of big concern across the central Gulf Coast, anywhere from eastern Texas, actually right through the Florida Panhandle. But it starts Monday and especially into Monday evening, where we look at that threat for severe weather, and it continues through the night, Monday night into Tuesday. And that's where we'll find severe weather a little farther off to the east. Well, still to come right there and fairly dry. So as I told you, this storm system producing the snow into parts of the Midwest that actually really want it farther south. We have rain and the risk for severe weather. First up, I will say that rain, it's going to be heavy. There is going to be the risk for flooding. So that will be of the concern across parts of the southeast. And we'll also talk about that severe weather threat still to come. To the northern side of the storm system, we've got the snow unfolding for us as the cold air works its way in. This is the later week here. You can see there's going to be more action with another winter storm system. But first up, this first one, bringing this low pressure system spinning around and providing some of those very strong winds diving their way through the plains. So that's part of this story as we talk about the snow unfolding. Then, as it works its way into the northeast on Tuesday, you can see it starts as snow, transitions into a little bit of a wintry mix for many, and then rain. As the storm system pushes its way off to the northeast, that's what we're going to find, that changeover with time for many locations, which means it could be even more messy than this first storm system. With it, those winds will be picking up in several locations, especially across the south. We already have wind advisories in place for this storm as we head into Tuesday. Here's how it wraps up. First up, we start off through the plains, heading in through tonight into tomorrow morning. Look at the snow already breaking out from Minnesota back to eastern Colorado. As this storm works its way through the plains, there's going to be some places that start as snow in Kansas City, mix over into rain, even drizzle, and then this storm continues to produce the snow off towards the north. And snowfall totals will pile up in some locations, more than 6 inches. More potential for severe weather this week. It's all part of this storm system. The next one that's moving through the eastern U.S. and Monday through Tuesday, it brings a lot of rain and even the potential for some severe weather through the south. It's a time of year when we need to stay on guard for that risk for tornadoes because it does come through fall and into early winter. Last year, so you know, just a year ago we were dealing with that risk for severe weather, so you want to keep close eye here because even as we go through really this early half of January, severe weather can be on the board. Severe weather, looking at that Monday into Monday night, it's going to keep trekking east Tuesday. Storm system gets going overnight tonight. You can see plenty of rainfall through parts of Texas and the Central Plains, but look